How was your day? It was good. It was great. Yes. Yeah. I'm also good. Okay. Now we will be talking about purposes of information preservation, and by the end of this lesson, we should be able to come out of this class knowing the term preservation, and we will also highlight the purposes of information. Is that right? Yes. Allow me confirm if all of you are in class. We have Lavida. Present. Stella. Present. Sharon. Present. Della. Present. Annette. Present. Purity. Present. Okay, that is good. So, let us enter into our lesson. We will start by defining what is preservation. Okay. In your own thinking, in your own words, how can you make out the term preservation? Yes, Della?
It's to have measures taken to protect, maintain, and promote the life of library and archival materials.
Yeah, that is good. Preservation. These are measures taken. We have measures. Another one you can use to define this preservation: protection, protecting, protect. Another word: prolonging the lifespan. So those are basically words that you can use to define the term preservation. Okay? Yes. Now let us go to the purposes of information preservation. In pairs, where you're sitting, I want you to discuss some of the purposes of information preservation. Yes, you are done. Time is up. Annette, write for me one if you are discussing your group. digital reference, that is good. Della? Prolongs the lifespan of information materials, that is good. Good. Yeah, that is also good to protect information from physical damage. That is good. Now I have some of them here. I want to show you. Purity, come and help me. So this. Yeah, so here I have with me purposes of information preservation. One, we have cultural heritage. Information, when you store information, it protects the cultural heritage of any community. And it also helps in continuity of knowledge. When information is preserved, even in the near future, you will still find them. And we have research and education. When you protect information, we have educators, researchers, this kind of people, even learners, yeah, where they can look for and find those information easily in the website or in the libraries or the archives. Is that correct? Yes. Then it helps also in decision making. When you protect those information, any kind of information will provide you with the knowledge of decision making. That is all. And I will send you some of the notes in your WhatsApp to help you cover more on them. Now, let me do away with this one. Okay, I want you to write for me a piece of paper. Write for me 3 things you've learned and 2 things you found interesting about this lesson, and 1 question you still have concerning this topic.